Blue. Nope, wrong gear. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit the trash can. How we doing back there, Blue? Oh my god. Okay, this is not my car. I gotta remember to be mature and responsible. Okay, hang on. I don't remember where I am. Where am I? Oh, Blue, I don't know what's happening. Oh! Wait. Bingo! I found it. I found it. This is okay, right? Why would you ever do that? This is gross. I don't like that. Well.
You really are such a good girl, aren't you? Maybe just don't give me that.
Okay. Blue, I didn't bring the fucking leash. Oh, there it is. I brought it. Ooh. I'm so sorry. Hat. Yep. Hat check. Sorry, I know I probably just fucked up the mic there, but oops. Hang on, I'm pressing shit. Give me a second. There she is. Cheap piece of fucking shit. Come here. Come here. Don't. Oh, first try. Wow. Ain't it beautiful? Ain't it beautiful? Don't worry, we just gotta get you up this damn hill, and then you can run free, my child. Damn. It's a little deep today. Run free, child, run. Go, Blue, go. Go, Blue, go. Go get him. 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 Oh, what you doing? Huh? Oh, man. Damn! Is this fucking tiring? But you know what? It's not slushy. It's not bone cold. There's mainly just some frost falling from the sky too, so that makes the camera a lot more I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. Jesus Christ, hang on now. Let's take a look at this. See, the thing is, right about now, I would have some music going, and I would be pitch quiet. But unfortunately, I didn't bring my headphones. However, I've noticed that sometimes when I'm on these walks, even though I have music going, I just start getting I get into these monologues. And I think, damn, I really should have recorded that because I tend to speak nothing but pure hard facts. I just realized that I'm probably walking the wrong fucking way. Blue, come. Good girl. I'm literally taking a fucking walk. You know? What am I supposed to do, Blue? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What? You don't like gloves, do you, Blue? You don't like gloves. Hey! Anyways. Ooh, look at that. This is a great view though. Nothing but construction and envy. Oh, it's wet. Fuck. Oh, atta Oh, you got it. Yes, you did. You won. Great, thanks. Thanks for jacking. Hey! Shit. Well, there's a hole. All right. Was that worth the bit? Probably not. Shall we continue? You wanna go back that way? Nah, come on. Atta girl. Atta girl. Me and the dog. I don't know. Jesus Christ. Come here, Blue. Where you going, girl? Come. Good girl. That's a good girl. Are you ready to go home? Let's go home. You're the problem. Come on, sweetheart. Good girl. Good girl. Yo! I left my phone in here. God damn it.